Hello, how are you? Good, good. We're on our way to Crockett to see Soarin, who's doing another tattoo for us. I've been working on my chest and my neck. As you can see, I got a little bit of chest work done last time. Look at my titties. But today we're gonna work on a couple sections of my neck. We usually only do about 3 to 4 hours at a time just because by the time I get out there, it's already so late. So we're gonna put in another couple hours today of this and let you guys experience my pain. Started the day off with some strawberry iced chai latte from Starbucks. Not a big Starbucks fan, but you know, gotta get what you gotta get. We'll see you guys in Crockett, California. Dude, that tastes like shit. All right, so we're here in Crockett, California at Sugar City Tattoo with my ghost, not sponsored, maybe I should be, but not with this flavor. And we're working on my neck today, so we're waiting for Soarin to come down. He said he had to put his pants on, so we're gonna go in here, we're gonna get working on this. We started my chest last week, but we only got that far because it was like already 10:30 at night. It's a 2-hour drive home, so we're gonna start my neck and go from there. Sorry guys.
Where you at? What up, baby?
What's going on, man? How are you?
Good. Sorry, dude. I got so caught up in making that flyer. I was like, shit.
Oh, you're good.
I made a bunch, and then I realized I have a better logo.
That is sick. I like that a lot too.
So I figured I'd just like show you a bunch and see which one you think is like most eye-catchy.
Sick. I like that. That's sick. Because I do want it to focus on like your tattoo work. You know what I mean?
And then I uploaded my skull and your logo, and it gave me this, which is still pretty sick.
Yeah.
Oh, the giveaway.
Yes.
Hyde's giving away one of his guitars
and
for Patreon tiers and a free trip to California. He's gonna pay for your flight. Spirit Airlines.
or what?
And maybe lodging for a free tattoo giveaway.
Yep, there it is.
Get me while I'm glistening.
There you go, glistening.
And you'll be here.
Beautiful.
Here, you'll be laying here.
Getting a tattoo.
If you're on a high enough tier, he'll come hold your hand.
Maybe.
Maybe. Alright, do you want me just to tape this? You don't have to take it off. Do like a little scoop action.
Yeah.
I still think you should make Bokuwahyde pasties.
Right.
Little bees.
Little bees.
For bees.
Bees for bees. Little boobies.
Like your logo bees.
Alright.
Dude, check out the Delt trap definition.
No big deal.
Yo.
No big deal. I'm not going to the gym this week either. I just do the
Have you
sanitizer.
never had a sunburn?
A sunburn?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like where your skin feels?
Like once. I don't go in the sun.
Yeah, it just feels like a sunburn and it's just dry as fuck. I'll put stuff on it for you.
Well, that's the thing is like I don't have anything. Like
After the first 2 days, you want to use the ointment or the Sanoderm. After the first 2 days, aloe, coconut oil, fragrance lotion. I prefer aloe or Soarin. It's got a little bit of mist. It's great for sunburns, which you don't need. But yeah, dude, aloe.
Okay.
We have an aloe plant. Do you want some aloe? Stuff, or do you want one of us?
No, I want you to do
put
that.
aloe? Okay. Why do you not have one yet?
San Pellegrino. Thanks, Sanoderm.
I was looking. Dude, the definition of your rear delts.
I don't have tried
No,
yet.
back. There you go. Little horseshoes. Little horseshoes are coming in.
Is that up at the top?
No, it's over here. The horseshoes is this downward light, and then It'll make shadows underneath all your muscles. That's all the fitness is. Right? Like there's a shadow underneath from the sun.
Freaking a lot of that stuff. Like, did you see? You saw the man photos. I showed you. Yeah, the man photos. Remember that time I had to sit here and fix your pressure for you?
Yes. Why can't you like that, dog?
Do I need to do it again? Sugar titty tattoo. That's missed opportunity, bro.
Dude, did you bring your squeezy titties?
Oh, I didn't. I forgot. I actually meant to grab that.
Why you gotta make everything sexual?
Why you gotta make everything not sexual? That really burns.
Yeah, it's rubbing alcohol.
Yeah, rubbing alcohol. I'll be like one of those wrestlers from like the 80s or 90s. They have those like super low cut tank tops. Oh yeah, brother. Yeah. All right, this is a secret serum.
Look, you got slow-mo on that?
Yeah.
Just go with it. Just relax and let it happen.
Oh.
I'm sorry, I missed. I got a little bit on your hand.
I got a little DNA on you.
It's not bad. You shouldn't have fucked up your healing. You need to experience the sun sometime.
Yeah, it's like okra.
Doesn't that feel less dry?
No.
Look at that. You're not all ashy. See, it's all like glistening now. You got like a.
Am I glistening?
Dude, look at the pecs. That's right.
Look at the hair that's coming into my chest. That makes me mad.
Who wants?
Can he do it in 10 minutes, chat? He's cooked. If Soarin can get this done in 10 minutes, I'm gonna give you guys, I'm gonna do a giveaway for a tattoo at 1,000 Patreon members.
Pigs. Bananas.
Gross.
I'll tattoo your boo-boos.
I'll tattoo your boo-boos. Hey, let me know in the comments if we should do a La Boo Boo giveaway.
Yes, we
tattooed
should.
by Soarin.
Yes, we should.
It's 3D. It's 3D.
And I can make it a little, this one's like a little closer, so I can make them like a little closer.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Well, I think once this all has drop shadow on it too, it's gonna make that pop as well. I mean, look how like good it is already. We haven't had any pain. It's been great.
You touched me inappropriately without consent.
He touched me appropriately with consent. Without consent, he touched me appropriately. You guys should really come down here and get a tattoo.
Yeah, it's fun, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm having a great
Doesn't
time.
it feel great?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
We're waiting on Soarin. Keep with that confidence.
Keep with that confidence, he says. This ghost is much better, by the way. This is the orange cream. Still not sponsored. Yo, get out of here with that camera. Hey, paparazzi. I like to watch.
Which is weird, because we watch you.
Right? I'm watching me too.
We watch you play video games. Watch you play with the cat, the dog. Yeah, I love your cat.
Me too.
Yeah. I can't tell if you're being serious.
Just go.
I feel like you're vancing me right now.
I don't know.
You're just telling me,
go.
but like, I don't know if it is.
I'm gonna be giving you guys a free trip to California to come visit Soarin to get a tattoo done of yourself. Once we hit 1,000 Patreon, wait, did I say of yourself? Okay.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah, let me say that again. My brain's not functioning while I'm in pain. So I'm gonna be giving away a free tattoo session and a flight to California along with travel accommodations, including a hotel. So you can come out here, visit Soarin and get a tattoo done yourself. All you have to do is get on my Patreon. Once we hit 1,000 Patreon members, I'm gonna be picking a winner. And we're gonna be doing this fairly regularly. As we continue to grow my Patreon, we will be doing more and more giveaways where I'll be flying multiple people out here to get a tattoo session with Soarin, completely covered. So make sure you guys head on over to my Patreon at patreon.com/Bokuwahyde. Get signed up on any tier and you will be eligible once we hit our 1,000 Patreon members.
Do that. All the Patreon.
Do that.
Sign up, people. It's amazing.
There you go.
You tell me to stay.
That's fine. That's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, dude, it's gonna look really good, man. Connect all that shit.
Play connect the dots. I love these little doohickeys behind the mask too. Is this the bio, dude? You like the shirt like this?
What's that?
Off the shoulder,
What's a scoop neck?
What did you say earlier?
do the lefty righty?
What's the lefty righty? I can't do that. I don't have muscles in my titties enough to do that.
There you go. You just gotta do them independently. You don't move your whole body. Just focus.
No, yeah.
It's easier to do them both at the same time. Like left, right is harder.
Yeah, well, there's nothing left or right to do, so I don't have. There's no muscles in here yet. It's just.
You're
just titty.
You're focusing on like squeeze that.
There is no that.
Here, put your arm like lift your arm like push against my hand. See like where that's you feeling that?
Yeah.
Try to contract that. So like here, try to push up on my arm. Well, okay, now do it without lifting your arm. Just contract that muscle, like the same feeling. It's like try to do that.
And he said I couldn't go to the gym.
But without moving your arms in. And then like it should contract in the same kind of way. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go.
Oh, okay. Oh
Yeah.
shit, I can move my titty muscles.
Yeah.
Watch out, Terry Crews.
Oh, yeah, you can. See, there you go. Dude, you're doing it. You're doing it. Okay. There it is. There you go. There you go.
All right, guys, we got all this done today that we're gonna get done today. It's already time to go home. So we got an appointment in like 2.5 weeks. So we're gonna come back out. Yes, this is gonna be the rest. This is what we're working on next time. We're gonna get the rest of this chest piece done.
You want height stencil? $20.
So don't forget
Priceless.
to head over to the Patreon if you guys want to win a free trip to California, flights, hotels, and transportation out to see Soarin. Make sure you get on that Patreon so you can win. We're gonna be doing a giveaway at about every 1,000 members. So make sure you get signed up. It's just $10 a month and you could win a complete full $2,500 value,
I'm a member.
$3,000 value tattoo session for just $10 a month.
Sign up for that shit.
Hell yeah. Patreon.com/Bokuwahyde. Go get signed up. There's podcast episodes, trips, opportunities to Japan. We've got a signed guitar giveaway going on right now. There's all kinds of fun stuff for you, plus an amazing community on our Patreon. So head on over there, patreon.com/Bokuwahyde. Soarin? Hi. Ow! Just kidding. I don't want to touch you too hard. Oh yeah. Love you, man.
Thank you for coming out again.
Yes.
You too.
So
Thanks.
make sure to follow Soarin on.
Instagram,
Do you have more than just Instagram?
Facebook,
Is it all the same thing?
YouTube, website. Yeah, it's just my name.
SoarinGabor.com.
It's just Soarin Gabor. SoarinGabor.com.
What's your website? Okay.
SoarinGabor.com.
Tell them.
SoarinGabor.com.
For all his social media stuff. And yeah, you'll see my face on there too. So love you guys.
The best face.
Thank you guys for watching another vlog, the Glampire Diaries. And we'll see you guys on the next one.
You have the best face.
And also,
We'll throw in a free shirt. Send us your size.
There you go.
There's
so,
the website.
So you'll win the shirt and the trip out to California and the guitar, no, and the tattoo session. And
We'll work on another guitar.
Yeah, there we go. So there you go. Cut.
We'll stick